Of course, as soon as I sit down to film. Are you done? Are you done?
Boy, if you don't get
2,000 years later.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a first impressions on the new Mercury Retrograde palette from Huda Beauty. This packaging, can we just talk about this packaging? It's so pretty. It also comes in this iridescent plastic sleeve or container. I actually used this today on my eyes, so this is the look that I came up with. I'm obsessed. So pretty. So today I used Off Balance, which is this pretty like nudie pink shade. And then I used Hot Mess and Vortex, which are these two darker purpley shades. And then I used Ultraviolet, which is that glittery shade right there. And last but not least, I also used Nebula, which is that silver right here. I have to say though that I was really excited about the Ultraviolet, and maybe it's because I've only used it once and I wasn't super impressed with it when I used the brush. And usually with Huda Beauty's shadows, when I use my fingers, they usually perform really well. And this time with Ultraviolet, when I put them on my eyelid doing this look today, I had a little bit of a hard time building it up. But then, like I said, this is a first impressions video and it's my first time trying the palette today, and overall I'm very happy with the shades that I used. So let's get into the swatches. But first, actually, I'm gonna show you a quick tutorial on this look. Here's that right now.
I'll be your light. Ooh, be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, yeah, I can carry all that you've got. Two heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall.
So I already have my makeup wipes because you're gonna need them. And now I'm gonna be swatching the palette for you guys. So from top to bottom we have Cosmic, Utopia, Ultraviolet, Nebula, Mercury, and Haze. I'm especially excited about Haze, to be honest. I'm excited to play with that shade. But that is the top row. Next up we have Off Balance, Galaxy, Libra, Crash, Momentum, and Supermoon. I'm not the best at swatching, I'm so new at this, but here they are. I have to twist my arm to show you. So that's the second row. For the third and final row we have Vortex, Hot Mess, Supernova, Karma, Gold Glitch, and Frazzled. That is the bottom row. I really have to get better at swatching. Definitely let me know if you guys are also planning to pick it up. It's beautiful. I'm excited to continue to play with it. I also forgot to mention that I used Cosmic and Supermoon for my inner corner highlight over here. And yeah, this is the look once again. I love purple. That is all that I have for you guys today. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up and I will see you in the next one. Hi.
And we were in too deep.